Hey traders, TG Watkins here, and it is February 8th when I'm recording this, Wednesday, and basically we're kind of at the point where we need to just wait. We've had a really good January, we've had a good beginning of February, but we're starting to see some participation slow a little bit. We're starting to see some names start to, just tire out and wear out, and we need to see everything kind of circle back down again. If we look at the hourly chart, we're starting to see some negative divergences kind of form in here. And yeah, I'm looking for a bit of a pullback with the SPY. We can see this in the SPY. We can see it up in the IWM on the hourly chart. You can see it right there. We've got price up, Moxie indicator down. And we're just seeing a lot of names are very, very overbought, very extended, that kind of stuff. One name I've been talking about, Tesla. I find this interesting in a couple different ways. If we initially just look at this on the daily chart, we are way outside the third ATR, and there's a big gap here between price and the 8 EMA, and it's pretty far off of the hourly 50 as well, and I'm seeing a lot of negative direction on the 15-minute time frame. It hasn't rolled over yet, so just kind of keep that in mind. And then the other thing I was kind of looking at is if we look at the weekly chart, and hopefully you guys can kind of understand what I'm doing here, but I talk about the elf shoe, I talk about the double bottom situation. And so right around here, I'd be considering that to be the arch of the foot, which is usually the peak of that first move, and I want to see a retest. Well, I had this line drawn on here already earlier in the week, and then today I just decided to kind of add a Fibonacci, and I was like, oh, let's see what it does. So basically from the low to the high, a 50% retracement, or right in between the 50% and the 618 retracement, is right exactly where I had that line. So interesting that I was able to kind of see that, and it's going to be fascinating to see if Tesla wants to actually pull back that far. If it does, that 50% retracement was also the daily 50. So it would make a lot of sense if this thing pulled back half back to the 50 and then decided to move up from there. So keep that in mind. See if that's going to work out for you. And if you like kind of the way that I look at things and show things, come on over to Moxie Trader, profitpilot.com, and we'll see you in the trading room. All right, everyone. Thanks again. See you at the next one.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.